In the enchanting domain of Greek mythology, Artemis stands out as one of the most revered goddesses, embodying independence, strength, and the primal forces of nature. As the daughter of Zeus and Leto, and the twin sister of Apollo, Artemis represents a multifaceted character who holds dominion over the wilderness, hunting, childbirth, and the moon. Often depicted as a graceful and athletic young woman, Artemis wields a bow and carries a quiver of arrows, symbolizing her prowess as a huntress. Her attire, typically a short tunic that allows for freedom of movement, reflects her deep connection to the natural world. Common symbols associated with her include the bow and arrow, showcasing her skills in hunting, the stag, which signifies her role as the protector of wildlife, and the moon, with which she is later associated, highlighting her connection to femininity and the cycles of nature. As the goddess of the hunt, Artemis celebrates the wild, untamed aspects of the world. She embodies both the beauty and fierceness of nature, serving as a guardian of the forests and fields. In this role, she promotes balance among ecosystems and advocates for the coexistence of humanity and the natural environment. Her protective instincts extend beyond animals. As a goddess of childbirth, she is invoked by women during labor, further emphasizing her nurturing qualities. Artemis's mythology is rich with stories that reflect her strength and autonomy. Her dramatic birth story sets the tone for her independent nature. While still in the womb, she is born on the island of Delos, and in a display of self-sufficiency, she assists in the delivery of her twin brother Apollo. This early act establishes her as a strong and capable figure, unbound by traditional constraints. One of her most defining traits is her vow of chastity, which symbolizes her commitment to independence. Artemis's resistance to romantic relationships illustrates her alignment with the untamed aspects of nature and her role as a protector of women and their autonomy. This vow sets her apart from many other deities, emphasizing her unique position within the pantheon. The tale of the Caledonian boar hunt presents another side of Artemis. When King Oeneus neglects to honor her in his harvest offerings, she sends a formidable boar to wreak havoc upon his land as punishment. The ensuing hunt becomes a tragic event, emphasizing her duality as both a benevolent protector and a fierce enforcer of respect for the divine. The myth of Actaeon further highlights her protective nature. In this story, the young hunter accidentally stumbles upon Artemis bathing in a secluded pool. Offended by his intrusion into her private moment, she transforms him into a stag, which is then hunted down by his own hounds. This transformation serves as a haunting reminder of the consequences that come from disrespecting the goddess, underscoring her fierce independence and the boundaries she enforces. Artemis's relationships with other deities reflect her multifaceted nature. Her bond with Apollo is one of mutual respect. While he represents civilization and reason, she embodies the wild, instinctual aspects of life. Together, they highlight the balance between human culture and the forces of nature. Her interactions with other gods often showcase her independence. While interacting with Pan, the god of the wild, she exemplifies camaraderie with nature deities. Her rivalry with Arachne, a mortal who challenges her weaving skills, reinforces the theme of respect for the gods, highlighting the complexities of beauty and skill in her character. Artemis's cultural significance is profound, with her worship expressed through various temples and festivals across ancient Greece. One of the most notable temples dedicated to her was situated at Ephesus, known as one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, reflecting her importance in the lives of the ancient people. The Artemisia festival celebrated Artemis through athletic competitions and hunting contests, further underscoring her connection to physical prowess and the natural world. These events reinforced her role as a protector of the wilderness and as a figure of empowerment for women. Throughout history, Artemis has inspired countless portrayals in literature and art. As a symbol of strength, independence, and connection to nature, she represents a complex ideal of femininity. Her myths often touch upon themes of gender roles and the intricate relationships between humanity and nature, making her a significant figure in discussions of both ancient and contemporary society. In conclusion, Artemis embodies the harmony of strength and nurturing in Greek mythology. As the goddess of the hunt and the moon, she signifies the importance of independence and the protective aspects of femininity. Through her rich narratives, attributes, and cultural impact, Artemis continues to resonate as a powerful symbol of empowerment and the intricate relationship between humanity and the natural world.